This lesson is about multiple classes. In a very simple way, we will see how we can have interconnection between two class objects or attributes. To demonstrate that, we have one class as author, and in init method, it needs two input arguments, name and age. Inside init method on line number 5, there is another attribute books for the list of the books he has written, and it is set to empty list. Then we have dunder_str method on line number 6 for the proper representation of the author as his name and age separated by a hyphen. In main program, 3 authors are created on line number 10, 11 and 12. And then on line number 13, 14 and 15, we are printing those authors along with the list of their books. If we run the code, you will see 3 authors printed and the list of books is empty for all 3 of those. Now let's create another class book for the book object. In init method, it will have title, year of publication and list of authors, which is set to empty list as default value. This way of setting the default value of some input argument as empty list is not a good practice, and this can cause some problems in future. You can find the details on the link I will provide in the description. So instead of empty list, I'll set it to none as default value, and inside init method I can apply a condition that if it is none, set the author's attribute to empty list, and otherwise if it is a list of authors, set the author's attribute to that value. Now let's define dunder_str method for this class too, and return a string of title and year of the publication of the book. Now let's create a book in main program as B1 with title as Python programming, year of publication 2020, and list of authors is author 1 and author 2. Now let's print the authors and their books one more time after creating the book. If we run the code, you will see that the books list of authors is still empty, although book B1 was created with author 1 and author 2 as its author. It is because there is no connection between the two classes, author and book. So either we'll have to do it in the main program and set the books attribute of author 1 and author 2 to book B1. But much better approach will be to create this book and author relation inside the class. So let's do it in the book class by creating getter and setter for the author attribute. In setter method, new authors is the list of the authors for that book. The first thing we can do is to make sure that the elements of the new authors list are actually author class objects. If it is not an author class object, we can generate type error. Once we are outside the for loop, it means all elements of new author lists were actually author class object. So we can set that as _authors attribute. The important thing we want to do inside the for loop is that if the list element represented as A is author class object, we should access the books attribute of it and append this book as self into that list. So in this way, whenever a book is created and a list of author is provided, that book will automatically be added into the books list of those authors. So now if we run the same program, you will see the created book is added into the list of books of two authors as book object. If you remember, when we have list of objects, the dunder str doesn't work on that. So I'll change that to dunder repr. And now if we run the program, you will see the created book Python programming is added into the books list of author 1 and author 2 automatically. I'll change the dunder str of author class to repr as well. And now let's create another book B2 with title as OOP in Python. With the year 2020 and set the authors list as author 1 and author 3. If we run the code, you will see that author 1 has correctly 2 books in his list of books, while author 2 and 3 have 1 book in their list. We can also check the authors of any book, for example B1, and you will see the correct authors in that list. So you can see that in a very simple and a logical way, we created the link of authors object attribute inside book class, and in main program it was very simple to have automatic connection between author and book. That's all from this lesson. Thanks for watching.